Samsung's foldables have been a big talking point for the past couple of years, but it seems they're not growing as fast as the company had hoped. The company's been doing well, but when it comes to foldables, there's still some room for growth. The good news, though, they've got some exciting plans for 2025. According to a fresh report from Lanzak on Naver, Samsung is working on 3 major additions to their lineup, including a more affordable Galaxy Z Flip, a new variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and a rumored Galaxy S25 Slim model. Let's break it down a bit. First up, the Galaxy Z Flip FE is rumored to drop in 2025. If you're a fan of the Z Flip, this could be huge. The current Z Flip is already the most affordable foldable in Samsung's lineup, but the Galaxy Z Flip 6 saw a price bump this year to $1,099. That's a bit steep when you compare it to competitors like the Motorola Razr 2024, which starts at just $699, and that's not even on sale. So, making the Z Flip FE a little more wallet-friendly is definitely a smart move to stay competitive. Samsung has been pretty clear in the past that they weren't planning on making a cheaper version of the Galaxy Z Fold, the big book-like foldable. However, they've since hinted that they might have something up their sleeve. And considering the growing interest in foldables, it wouldn't be too surprising if they decide to bring a more budget-friendly option to the table soon. But that's not all. There's also some talk of an additional variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in 2025. Now we don't know exactly what this new Fold model will look like, but there are some interesting clues. For example, Samsung just dropped a special edition Galaxy Z Fold in Korea and China, which has a thinner design and a bigger display than the current Z Fold 6. The limited edition version was such a hit that it sold out in just minutes. In fact, the second batch of units also flew off the shelves within 5 minutes, so it's safe to say there's a lot of buzz around Samsung's Fold devices right now, and this new special edition could be a sign of exciting things to come for the Z Fold 7. And speaking of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, there's some juicy info floating around about 2 possible models being developed under the codenames Q7 and Q7M. The Q7 would be the standard Z Fold 7, but the Q7M could be a different take, maybe even a refined version of that special edition or a brand new design altogether. Some people are even speculating that the Q7M might be the long-rumored trifold design that Samsung's been playing with behind the scenes. That would be wild, right? The reason Samsung is working on these different versions is clear. They want to cater to a wider range of customers. Not everyone wants the same thing when it comes to foldable tech, so offering more choices could help Samsung hold onto its lead in the foldable market. It's all about finding that sweet spot between innovation and practicality, and with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, they're definitely trying to push the envelope. As we get closer to 2025, anticipation is definitely building for Samsung's next-gen foldables. The Z Fold 7 and Z Flip FE could set new standards for design and functionality in the foldable smartphone space, and it'll be interesting to see what kind of innovations Samsung has in store for us. So, are you guys excited about the upcoming Samsung foldables? Would you pick up a cheaper Z Flip or a new version of the Z Fold? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on all the latest Samsung news, make sure to check out our channel. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.